Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes.
In this video, we will learn how to install Java JDK on the Windows operating system.
What is Java? The Java programming language is widely used to develop web applications.
Over the past 2 decades, many Java applications have been developed.
Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented, and network-centric platform. It can also be used to develop big data applications in addition to mobile apps and enterprise software. A fast, secure, and reliable programming language. What is Java programming language used for? Java is used for a wide range of purposes. Let's look at some examples. First, game development. Second, big data. Third, cloud computing. Fourth, Internet of Things. Fifth, artificial intelligence. Why is Java so popular among modern software developers? Java is popular due to its ease of use. There are several reasons why developers continue to choose Java over other programming languages. High-quality learning resources. Inbuilt functions and libraries. Active community support. High-quality development tools.
Platform independence.
Security. Let's take a look at the history of programming. In the beginning, natural programming languages were categorized according to how they communicated with the hardware. Compilers convert natural English-like code into machine code by compiling or translating it into a language. The compiled code is then executed on the hardware. Interpreters convert high-level code statements into machine code on the fly. The hardware runs written statements immediately before moving on to the next one. Now let's move on to the installing part. Before we proceed with the installation, it is useful to check whether the JDK is already installed on your system. You can do this by typing CMD into the Start menu search box and selecting the best match option. Enter the following command on the command prompt. Following this action, the command prompt will check your PC for Java. If your Windows computer does not have the Java development kit installed, you should see something like this. Now let's move on to the installation part. Installing the Java JDK on Windows. First, we need to visit Oracle's website in order to install the JDK installer. Here is how you can do it. Go to your browser. Type here Java Download. Now click on the official Oracle website link. Go to the Java Download section of the Oracle website and download the x64 installer. After the download is complete, launch the installation file and click on the Yes button. The next screen will ask you for the location of your file. Please click on the Next button. It will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. Click Close once the JDK installation has been completed. You will have successfully installed the Java development kit on your computer at the end of this process.
Let's verify it again.
Open the command prompt. Once the command prompt has been opened, enter Java version. You will receive the Java version installed on Windows in the output. We can see on the screen that the current Java version is installed on the Windows operating system. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to LSET for more updates.